Hi there, I'm Kaji Shaun. I'm a professional email list builder, custom email list builder. This is my Upwork profile and this is my personal website where you can contact me. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you remove white space before any text. Okay, for example, this is a recent email list. This is actually a custom email list where we collected lawyer, uh, bankruptcy lawyer, and we have around 1600 plus contact list here. And when you upload this list any CRM or cold email tool, it could be a problem if they have a white space issue. For example, what is white space is like this one. This email, you can look here, there is a space before the text email. This is called white space. So if you go through and check and try to find out where the white space have between this 1600 email, that is very difficult to find out. So Google Sheet has a very uh, popular and easy method to remove this white space easily. For example, this one have white space, this one has white space, this name has white space. Okay, so we can remove this white space by few click. First of all, you need to select the whole sheet here by clicking here and then click on data and the data cleanup and then trim white space. This is very easy method. As you can see, there are 12 selected cells where the white space are. So press OK and the white space gone. To prove and show you that the method is actually working, we are going to put a space here before the contact and going to do it again, trim white space, and as you can see, now we found only one white space cell and already removed. As you can see, the handle has no white space now. Okay, that's the method. So as you already know, I provide custom email list building service. If you need any kind of related service from any kind of a specific niche or industry, please reach out to my email kajishan278@gmail.com, or you can reach out to my Upwork profile. Thank you for watching the video and please do subscribe my channel, share the video among your uh, guys who need it. Thank you very much for watching.